Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within this move, I mentioned how we're going to look for trade, because I was keep highlighting if we want to look for trade, we need to get the deeper correction. And I was keep highlighting we need to see the three wave structure. This is what I explained in my last analysis. That's why I mentioned if the price drop, we mentioned we can expect the price drop to 35 200, following by 34 300 within this zone. Okay. Then I mentioned if the price cannot break from there, any reversal, any trade for buy, we can look for this is the reasons I was keep highlighting we need to see the three wave structure. As we can see, one times the price tag there was no breakout, and the second times, and after that it was very good to buy from here. Okay, this is the reasons every times I mentioned we have to get the three waves structure or deeper correction. Anyway, this is what we get. And as we can see, the price almost is above the 39500 39500. Okay, we want to see what's the next, and whoever get the trade from here, they should move their stop loss somewhere below this correction, which is around 38500. Okay, now we move to daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are almost above this correction. The only thing is we need to see the breakout of this correction. If not, we can expect the price to we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, anyway, if we refer to our analysis, I've been looking for the flat, and this is what we have been looking for. Right now, whoever get the trade, as I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, we have to book some profit, and we want to see what's the next. We want to see whether the price can break or not, because again, this is the three internal correction flat we have been looking for, and this is what we get. Since the price was within this move, within this correction, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. The only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the previous top, which is around 41k. The price almost tight, but there was no continuation. Okay, and if we refer to the indicators, we don't see the divergence yet based on forward chart. All right, no, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is if we put our line here, which is above this, which is somewhere around 41k, if I change these things. All right, if I change this one to the normal line, and which is around somewhere around here above the stop. Okay, we want to see the breakout of 41k. 41. All right, now the only thing is all depends on what we get here within the next day. If the price can break this 41k, that means we are breakout, we can break this correction, then it's good for us, we can look for continuation. If not, we can expect the price to be within this correction for a longer time. Anyway, since the price was within this correction, we have been looking for buy, and even when the price was within this move, I mentioned let the price give us a deeper correction, and mostly I point on three waves structure. Then I mentioned any trade for buy we can look for, and this is what we get. And right now, whoever get the trade, we don't have any trade setup. Okay, and whoever get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss somewhere below this correction. If the price is going to reverse, at least they can book some profit. If there is a continuation, it's good for us, and we don't need these lines anymore. Whether we should look for buy or not, right now we don't have any trade setup. And if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That means if I put this top in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. We cannot confirm based on 1 hour divergence whether the price is going to reverse or not. The only thing says we should book our profit, and even if he wants to look for the next trade, we need to see the correction here. Buying, as long as the price haven't give us a confirmation for the breakout of 41, is not a really good idea. That's mean right now we don't need to look for buy. We have to see whether the price can give us a correction for continuation or the price can reverse. Okay, the only things I will highlight in this analysis, whoever get the trade for buy either from this correction or from here, if they keep the trade, move the stop loss somewhere below this correction. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart. As I mentioned, we want to see whether the price can break this correction or not. Where I'm talking about this correction, I mean this entire correction. And right now we are at the top, buying at the top. We do the confirmation, is not a really good idea. We need to see the breakout of the 41. This is what I have been highlighting since the price was within this move. Okay, the only update with for this and analysis is we should book our profit. All right, if we have the next trade, then I will give you update. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.